Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're gonna see how to watch YouTube videos on Android Auto in any car. First thing you need to do is to open the Android Auto app on your phone or just turn on the CarPlay on your car. If you don't have the YouTube app installed on your CarPlay, just head to the Play Store, then search for YouTube and download the app. When the app is done downloading and installing, you can find it in the app drawer of your CarPlay. Just head to the app drawer, then select the YouTube app and open it. Now you can select any video you want to watch on YouTube to watch it on your Android Auto CarPlay. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.